How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, Friday afternoon. Where has the week gone? I'm going to keep this very, very quick. Basically, I just want to touch base with you. I want to send you love and positive vibes for the weekend ahead. Big shout out. Thanks very much for all your lovely comments and support on the channel and on the last video there. Really, really appreciate it. All the new subscribers, you're very, very welcome. And the old subscribers too, these are all very welcome. I appreciate you taking the time out to watch these videos because I do understand your time is valuable and I appreciate you taking time out to watch these videos here and interact with me. So thank you very much. And this week here has been pretty quiet. I've been getting out, taking some photographs as I'm walking about. Nothing spectacular, just documenting this section of road. Next week, I'm very excited. What I've been doing mainly this week, I'm going to be doing a podcast. So I've been doing a lot of research, learning about podcasting. I've ordered some gear. I've got mixers and things like that coming next week. I'm really, really excited about it. It's something that I've wanted to do for probably about the past 4 years, maybe 5 years, maybe even a wee bit longer, but probably about at least 5 years anyway. And I've never followed through on it. But as a result of COVID-19, good old COVID-19, a positive has come out of it because it's made me really think about, what I want to do in life and following through and things. And I'm wondering, is that what is happening to you too? Because I actually hear people saying, oh, I can't wait to go back to normal again, back to where it was. And I'm going, no, I don't know about you guys. I don't want to go back to where it was. I want to get better than it was. And I think that I'm using this time here to really rethink my life, rethink what I want out of life, following through and things. I'm learning new things and I'm really excited about this section of road. Now, basically my business is firstly gone because I teach photography, workshops and one-on-ones. I also do walking tours and photo tours here around in Belfast. I advise companies on copyright and advice on their photography. All that's gone because of COVID-19. So basically my financial situation has shut right down. So there's nothing there. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be reinventing myself. You see, you'll probably see me next week. I'll have the cravat and all on. I'll be standing with a glass of red wine. I'm talking about Henri Cartier-Bresson. Yes, indeed. You never know. Me and Henri, we're in the same circles, street photographers. Oh, guess, imagine. All joking aside though, you'll see me next week. I'm going to be talking more about the podcast, doing more photography. I'm going to be interviewing some of the photographers, a couple of you guys. We'll be getting something set up, I'm sure. Know that I'm sending you love from Belfast. Have a fantastic weekend. Thanks again for all your love and support, and I'll see you in the next video.